Hello. Oh, Marilyn's here. I didn't record yesterday. I had a day off. But I didn't do much of anything either, so you didn't miss anything. But today I'm going to walk around the house and I'm going to show you what project everybody's working on. Because this is mostly a sewing thing. Tony and I are doing mostly knit and crochet. Well, I'm crocheting. And then the other three of us sew stuff. Marylin is a quilter, and all the quilts you've seen in the videos up till now have been Marylyn's quilts. So I'm going to show you Marylin's current project. All right, Marylin. Oh, look at the light was weird. Here's what Marylin's working on. This quilt. Oh, we're going to hold it up. There we go. So that's Marylin's current work in progress. And she's also done, I think you've put borders on 2 quilts, and I'm hand laying them down. And look, she's like me. She watches YouTube while she sews. I've heard her YouTube going on. And then are you working on this too? Is this another one you're working on? Oh, this is our COVID runner. Mine are still in pieces. So this, last year we did all this virtually, and we sent, each of us sent a star. We could do whatever star we wanted out of whatever fabric. That's the one I sent. And that one I know is Tony's. Which, oh, I'm pretty sure that's Marylin's right there. Did somebody make you a flamingo square?
I thought you did this one.
No, I did this one. This is mine. I did paper piecing.
Deborah did this one.
Marissa?
No, Marissa's I did separately. I made it into a mini quilt.
Oh. So we don't know what these all are for. I just recognized 2 of them. I thought I did try to do you a pink one, but it looks like you got purple. And then there's a pile of projects. And look at this beautiful leaf one. I've been looking at it all week. Isn't that pretty? All right. Now we're going to walk over. The kitchen's a hot mess because when you put us all in the same kitchen, we are all cooking and the refrigerator's packed. Oh, this is, so here, this is the palette for Kathy. This is my nest on the sofa, and I'm working on Irish crochet. There we go. That's what I'm working on, is bits for my Irish crochet. And I don't have enough thread, so it's probably going to come to an end soon. Oh, and we talked politics, so now we're walking over. Oh, here's what Tony's working on. I'm doing today's video. Here's what Tony's working on, the hitchhiker shawl. Oh, and this adorable bunny. She's been making clothes for the bunny.
I made the
Even
bunny.
her little pantaloons. Well, the bunny was finished, though, for this trip. And then the bunny got clothes while we were here. And then she's cut out a second bunny and a second dress for this bunny. And now we're going over to Kelly's desk. Kelly's working on her social media presence.
I'm sewing too.
Kelly's sewing. Oh, you've been getting crap done.
Oh, look at, I got all these done.
So Kelly makes like little layette sets every year. So what is it? Do you have any done that we can see what they are?
No, I just have the hat and the blanket.
Okay,
done.
I'll show you later. But we have a hat. So Kelly makes like a hat, a blanket,
a
a
sleep
little
sack.
sleep sack.
They're not done yet. But.
Okay, back on. Here's Kathy's project. What kind of quilt? Why are you making this quilt?
I'm
Is
making
this
this quilt for the Quilts Beyond Borders for the orphan children in Africa that live in big orphanages and they have nothing.
Oh, so they have their own little colored thing for their bed?
Spot that's their bed.
Yeah, that's adorable. And look at the music. The music's cute.
It's just a really sweet one. And then I've got the other one over there that I'm making, and
Yeah,
it's
I
more
see.
for boys. This is
Oh,
for little
oh,
boys.
which one is it? I'll go over and get it. Is it on the back of the? Is it the back of the chair? Oh, here. Oh,
It's like
oceany.
It's like 7 leagues under the sea type of thing.
Oh, with boats.
Yeah, I'll hang it up. It's
Oh,
really
okay.
adorable.
It's cute.
And I did not make this. I only quilted it. This was made by somebody and they offered it to me.
Oh,
For a
oh,
little boy.
oh, that's adorable, isn't it? Look at you've got like the lower oceans and then the
And
boats.
then the boat sailing on top of it.
Oh, that's super
Isn't
cute.
that cute? I think a little boy will love that. So.
Yeah. Well, and maybe a girl.
And they hang them over the ends of their bunks so that each one, that's
So
where
during the
one-
day it's decorated and
Yeah.
Oh,
so
that's
when
cute.
they unmake their bed, they take their blanket and put it
lay it over the end.
of it. Yeah.
That's super adorable.
Kind of a cool idea, yeah.
All right. And then the other thing I'm doing, this is, because I already put the border on one, I hand sew them on. Because when I don't have enough brain space to work, I'm putting borders. I'm hand sewing the bias binding on. So this is another one that Marylin made. This scrapped one, which is really cute. And she just sews a bunch together and then she cuts them into squares. But when I get too brain dead to do anything else, I sit and I'm hand sewing these borders on. Needless to say, I've been doing a lot more hand sewing than I have been crocheting. For tonight's moment of Zen, we're just going to look out at the garden and watch the birds fly back and forth between the trees.